25 days? Wow! Hi guys, you're watching Life of Kalyani and today is day 25 of 75 Hard. And you know what? I just lost 5 kgs of my weight in just 25 days. Isn't that insane? Even you can do the same. Just follow these things that I follow. Okay? Let's start. No gym influencer diet, no expensive supplements, no starving myself without cutting rice and roti. Just a system, a promise, a decision to never quit on myself. If you're someone who has tried everything and feels like nothing works, stay, because this video is just for you. So let me take you through my entire day. My day starts at 4 AM. After freshen up, the first thing I do is drink jeera water and walk to Dagdushet Ganpati temple. Here I complete 10k steps. There is something about standing in front of Bappa at 5 AM in the morning, no crowd, no noise, just lamps, silence and peace. Those 10 minutes give more energy than any pre-workout could ever give. Trust me, you can also visit nearby temple and feel it. Go between 5 to 5:30 AM, sit there for a few minutes, you will feel something that words can't explain. After coming back, I go straight to the kitchen because first what you eat in the morning decides your entire day. Oats, muesli, nuts, sprouts, just real food. I'm going to share my daily recipes on this channel too. Simply healthy and delicious. Do follow and subscribe. After coffee, I go to the library. Now let me be honest with you. Day 1 of this challenge, sitting in one place for even 1 hour felt like punishment. My mind would go to my phone, my food, my sleep, to literally do anything else. And now on day 25, 4 to 5 hours straight without even realizing it. And here is what I learned. Focus is not something that you have. Focus is something you build, like a muscle, repetition by repetition, day by day. The library didn't change, I changed. 1:30 PM lunch break. 25 gram minimum protein. Dal, roti, sabzi, rice with salad. Understand your food. And then comes the best part. That is actually changing my life. First, pre-workout, black coffee, and then we train around 1.5 hours every day. Weight training plus cardio. Some days my body is sore, some days I'm mentally ill, and some days I genuinely feel like don't do. But I'll go anyway, because on day 1 I made a promise to myself that I'll not let down that day 1. Post-workout protein shake, 25 grams of protein done. The workout breaks you down, but the protein builds you back stronger. Before 7 PM, my last meal, light, simple, around 10 to 15 grams of protein because your body deserves rest, not digestion. Then comes the next part, that is walk test, where deep analysis, almost 3 hours, and here is the thing that separates people who improves from people who don't. Don't just solve question, understand why you got them wrong. Every wrong answer I sit for 5 minutes. Why did I think that? Why did my logic break? What I do differently next time? That process, that where real growth is. 4 to 5 liters of water throughout the day, tracker feed, day reviewed, and my 11:30 PM sleep. 25 days ago, I'm not this person. I would set alarms, snooze them. I would make plan and abandon them. I would start things but quietly stopped. And every time I quit, a small part of me has stopped trusting me. But something that happened in this 25 days, I started keeping promises to myself. Small ones at first. Wake up, go to temple, make breakfast, study, train, sleep. And slowly I stopped being someone who would doubted herself and started becoming who knows she can do anything. 5 kg is not just a weight I lost, it's just a version of me I have to let go of. The one who was afraid of, and now she's trusting herself. And who thought she needed perfect conditions to make it. Now she has started it. It's already day 25 done and still 50 days are remaining. 5s are already gone, still 10 are pending. If you are also doing any hard journey, let's join. Thank you for watching and do subscribe.